Alright, this is my bike check. I've got Duo Homan grips. They're alright. I mean, if your hands get real sweaty, they're really slippery, but they feel really good. I've got Shadow bar ends, S&M RV bars. I like them a lot. Really good bars. A stock Mirko stem and stock Mirko forks. I'm running Odyssey Path tires, and my front wheel is a Hoffman generator rim laced to a Shadow Rant hub with white and black spokes, and I've got the Shadow Rant hub guard and just some random Hoffman peg, I think. Yeah. I've got Fit PC pedals, just got them not long ago. They're alright. They haven't worn down too much, so that's good. Stolen Mob cranks and Shadow chains and bones. I think that's what it's called. Chain wheel, just some random KMC chain. Let's see. Seat is a Primo seat. Eastern Nitrous seat post, and this is a Mirko Luxstar frame. It's got huge cracks in it on the welds on each side right there, so I'm getting a new frame soon. I've got Odyssey Path tire in the back, lace, and a Stolen Revolver rim laced to a We the People hub, salt, whatever. And I've got the Shadow hub guard and Mirko peg, I think. And I think that's it. Alright, that's my bike.